everyone, welcome back to my channel Walkie Talkers. Today we will be learning how to draw such cute eyes so that you can decorate your pencil boxes or even your notebooks. So if you're ready, let's get on to the video. So the first thing that you have to do is to take a compass and draw two small circles. Now, take a black marker or sketch pen and trace the outline of the circle. Then fill in the circle with the same black sketch pen. When we are done, we get two dark black circles like this. Just make sure that there are no white patches. The next thing I'm doing is to add a little glittering effect to the eyes. So here I'm using the white nail polish. You can also use white paint if you want, but I need to get a 3D effect, so I'm using white nail polish. First you make a bigger circle and then on the side you can make smaller circles and repeat the same on both the eyes. So when we are done with that, it will look like this. The next thing I'm doing is to add a little bit more detail. So I'm taking my marker and drawing two beautiful eyebrows. So I'm making it like lashes. I'm making the edges a little bit curved. So I'm doing like that. And that would be your end product. This is what your eyes would look like after you finish all the components and all the drawings. You can draw this on your notebooks, as I said earlier, and this is a notebook that I made like that using this eyes design. I also made a pencil holder and piggy banks. So one I made in a blue color, and the other one I made it like an original piggy bank. It is pink in color. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.